to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstela and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing I'm not sure how to call it, but it's something new that I've never done before. It is going to be kind of like, it's hard to explain, but you will see. First, I'm going to start off with some tape. I was going to cut a little bit off. So I put it like that. Because I'm going to leave this part alone and you'll guys see why later. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the crease, but it's also going to be my transition color. So I'm going to put it all the way up to the eyebrow like I always do with my transition colors. And to apply that, I'm going to be using my Concealer brush number E300. This one right here. So I'm just going to dip my brush in. And then start building up the color. To really keep it more clean, I'm going to apply it on top of the tape and go this way, just so I can make sure that if I do it this way, the eyeshadow won't go underneath the tape. So that's why I'm going to keep it going outward like this from the tape. Okay. Now I'm going to jump into my 35B palette by Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. And with the pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and start putting this in my crease just to start brightening up the eye look a little bit. And I'm going to be using a pencil brush, and I'm going to be using my Mikasa brush number E310. Looks like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my crease. And with the same brush I used before, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. Then we're going with the same brush, and I'm going to dip it into the yellow one again and just define it one more time to bring back that color. So I'm going to jump back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and with the same pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and take this dark brown shade right here. Now I'm going to put that in my crease as well. That's why I'm using the same pencil brush. I can only keep it on the crease. Then I'm going to grab the first shade that I put as my transition color on the brush, just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this out in the top just to really blend everything out seamlessly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the crease a little bit. So I'm going to cut it with concealer. And I'm going to be using my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. This one right here. Now I'm going to be using an angled brush to do this. But I'm only going to cut it like halfway because I'm gonna want to smoke it out on the edge. So I'm gonna do it a little bit. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to scoop it up with the brush and then put it on my lid. Then to set that, I'm going to be using my translucent powder. I'm going to be using my Airspun. Oh, there it is. I'm just going to pat it on top of the concealer so it can set, and then I'm going to move on and do the next eye. I am going to add a shimmer eyeshadow to the lid. But first I'm going to smoke out the edge. So just so it can be easy to smoke out later. Because if I put the shimmer eyeshadow first and then try to smoke it, it's just going to make a mess. This is my clean color pencil brush right here. I'm going to go ahead and dip it into this one and this one. I'm just going to mix it with the pencil brush. Tap it, and I'm just going to apply this just like this. And I'm going to bring it in like that. I'm also going to bring it halfway into the crease, like that. You see, it's already pretty pigmented, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the shimmer eyeshadow on the places that I put concealer. And I'm going to be packing on this shimmer shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one right here. What I'm doing is I'm bringing the shimmer eyeshadow with the pencil brush, just sweeping it over the matte one. I didn't put any extra product or anything on the brush. Now I'm going to dip this into the orangey shade again. And then just go over it one more time. And then this time I'm also putting it just a little bit on top of the shimmer eyeshadow just to really blend that out. Then I'm going to get the same brush again and pack some of the shimmer eyeshadow once more. I'm actually going to bring the shimmer eyeshadow a little bit closer to the tape. I'm not really liking how it's looking, so I'm just going to bring it a little bit closer. So I did bring the shimmer eyeshadow all to the rest of the remaining of the lid, but I only smoked it out a little bit with my brush like this, just on the edges. I just didn't like how it was looking before, but I really like how it's looking right now. So now I'm ready to take off the tape. Oh, the eyeshadow did bleed a little bit, so I'm going to get the wipey and I'm just going to clean that up. And then with the same brush, I'm just going to get it and blend this inwards like this to really blend that out, because it's looking a little bit harsh. So just get the brush and blend it in, not blend it out, because it is going to blend it out and you don't want that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some eyeliner. For eyeliner, I wanted a pink. I wanted a hot pink eyeliner for this look. So I don't have a pink eyeliner, so I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte lipstick in the shade Nice to Fuchsia as a liquid liner. This one right here. And I'm gonna be using this really tiny pencil brush to do my wing eyeliner. And this is my beige brush number 106. So I'm just going to try to wing it out with this matte lipstick. I thought it would work better with the matte lipstick because since it does dry down matte, I'll have to worry about it messing up or bleed later on. I love how this is coming out. So this is how it turned out so far. And I really love how it's coming out. So I'm going to put on lashes. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using my iikonn lashes in the style Gold. This one. They look like this. And you want to make sure that you put these really close to your lash line, because since we're not wearing any black eyeliner, you really want to hide that lash band really good. But also I like to do to hide it, I like to tightline because it makes it blend in a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to do later on when I finish my eye look. I went over the eyeliner one more time because the eyelash glue did kind of wear off the lipstick eyeliner. That actually helped to hide the lash line, because since the lipstick is really pigmented, it actually went over the lash line. I'm going to go ahead and finish my eye makeup. I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash, and to smoke it out, I'm going to be using my 35B palette. And I'm going to be dipping into some pink shades. I'm going to be using, I'm going to be mixing this shade and this shade right here. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to put those on my bottom lash line. And I'm going to be using the same clean color pencil brush to do that. Before I highlight my face, I'm going to go ahead and add the same mascara to my bottom lashes. To highlight today, I'm going to be using my AZEREDO Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighting Palette. This one right here. And I'm going to be mixing this one and this one. For lipstick today, I'm going to be using the same one that I use for eyeliner. This one right here. So this is what it look right here. I really had fun doing this look. It was my first time doing something like this, so it was really fun for me. I did it out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I really love how it came out, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.